Children, yesterday I have given you one homework. Have you done it? If you have not done it, then please just open your books if you are having, so that you can do the exercise part, right? So if you see, and those who are not having a book, just make this, just write down this pattern, so that when you have your book, you can write it down in the book. Children, one more thing, you will not use pen in your books. You will only write with pencil. No overwriting, no whitener, and writing should be very neat and clean. Is that clear to everyone? आप लोगों को बिल्कुल भी गंदा नहीं लिखना है, पेन यूज़ नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ पेंसिल यूज़ करना है बुक्स में. Is that clear? And all the exercises which we are doing should be completed when the school reopens. Teachers will be checking your books whether you have done the exercise or not, right? So as we are going on with the exercises, you also have to complete the exercise, right? If you are not having a book right now, no issues. After some time, when this lockdown opens and you are able to purchase the book, that time you can do it, right? So don't worry your parents कि नहीं हमको book अभी चाहिए. आप बुक आराम से ले सकते हैं, but your work should be done when the school reopens. Okay children? So I have given you the homework that you have to fill this. So for roast, when the papa animal is rooster, baby animal is chick, so mummy animal will be hen. If the female animal is lioness, papa animal will be lion and baby animal will be cub, C-U-B, cub. If mummy animal is peahen, papa animal is peacock, so baby animal will be peachick. If papa animal is horse, so mummy animal will be mare and colt, right? Now today we are going to do the book exercise. Okay, so who gives birth to babies in humans? हम humans में babies को birth कौन देता है? Father, mother, grandparents और siblings. कौन देता है? Mother. So tick on mother. Couples which adopt child are called, वो couples जो बच्चों को गोद लेते हैं, adopt करते हैं, उन parents को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Natural parents, foster parents, orphans या single parents. हम उनको बोलते हैं foster parents. In human, mother keeps the baby in the womb for 4 months, 15 months, 9 months कि 2 years. So it answer is 9 months. Tick on 9 months. Now what do you call them? अब इसमें questions हैं कि हम इनको क्या बुलाते हैं, right? तो like your mother's mother, हम अपनी mother मम्मी की मम्मी को क्या बोलेंगे? नानी. Your mother's father, नाना. Your mother's brother, mama, and your mother's sister, masi. Fine. Now these are the questions which we have already done. Now we will do the true and false. True and false मतलब सही है कि गलत है. तो mother cannot feel her baby's need. Is it true कि हम जो जब बेबी मदर के वूम में होता है, अंदर होता है, तो वो अपने बच्चे की नीड को पता नहीं कर पाते हैं? Is it true? No, it is false. मम्मी को हमेशा पता लगता है. Bear is a mammal. भालू जो होता है, bear भालू, वो एक mammal है? Yes, so it is true. There is a natural relationship between a baby and its mother. It is true, right? Now children, come to this fun time. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा सीक्वेंस दिया हुआ है आपको, उसमें आपको नंबर्स डालने हैं कि पहले कौन सा चीज़ होगा, राइट? तो क्वेश्चन इज, birds reproduce by laying eggs, frogs lays their eggs in water, a butterfly also lays eggs. Number the picture given in the following set in the correct order. Start from egg. Now अब ये तीन चीज़ों की, डक की, आपके बटरफ्लाई की, फ्रॉग की और आपके बटरफ्लाई, तीन की आपको स्टेजेस दिए हैं कि वो एग्स के बाद क्या होते हैं, फिर उसके बाद क्या होते हैं, फाइनली वो बटरफ्लाई कब बनते हैं, या फाइनली वो हैन कब बनते हैं, या फाइनली वो फ्रॉग कब बनते हैं. तो यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर दी हुई है, यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स मिक्सड अप है. ठीक है, तो आपको सीक्वेंस में रखना है. लाइक अगर हम पहले हैन के लिए जाते हैं, तो हैन में पहले क्या आएगा? एग, राइट. एग के बाद क्या होगा? जो मम्मी हैन होगी, शी विल बी सिटिंग ऑन अ एग टू हैच इट, तो शी इज सिटिंग. सो दिस इज योर नंबर 2. After that, what happens? Egg will hatch, a new baby will come out, new baby chick will come out. So you can see over here, so this will be your picture number 3. After that, you can see a small baby, right? So this is your 4, and then when this baby will grow, it will become a new hen, so it is number 5, the last stage, right? Now we will come to frog. Children, these are 5 pictures you can see. Now first, what it will be the thing? It will be a egg. Fine. This is your picture number 1, that it starts from egg, right? After from egg, it becomes a tadpole. Baby frogs, those after coming out from the eggs, are known as tadpoles. After tadpole, it will slowly grow into a frog, but with a tail over there, so it will be number 3. Then slowly the body parts of a frog starts growing, and it is number 4, and fully grown frog is ready, that is number 5, right? After, now this is a butterfly. For butterfly, first we will see here on the leaves, eggs are there. This is your number 1. After the egg, it is the, you can say, your pupa is formed, right? After the eggs, here it will be a caterpillar. It forms a caterpillar, right? These eggs will become a caterpillar. After, when this caterpillar eats all the leaf, it will convert into a pupa. After pupa, into a small butterfly, and after that into a new full grown butterfly. Children, the numbers have been marked. You can mark in your book. Now, a small today, children, you can see on page it is page number 11, one small poem is written over here. So now, today's homework, what you have to do, you have to write a short poem. It can be of 4 to 6 lines, and you have to write a short poem about your mother. Like, what does your आपकी मम्मी आपके लिए क्या है, आपके लिए आपकी मम्मी कितनी अच्छी है, आपके लिए मम्मी आपकी क्या करती है. तो आपको 6 लाइन्स में अपनी मम्मी के लिए एक पोएम लिखनी है, राइट? सो टुडेज होमवर्क इज़ दैट यू हैव टू कंपोज अ शॉर्ट पोएम ऑन योर मदर.